Like the butterfly pendant set? Let's make it then. Hi all, hope all of you are well and fine and happy new year. Today I am going to make a butterfly pendant set and I am going to make the butterflies with this organza fabric. As I've told you, these are the leftover pieces and I know you have got such leftovers in your home too. The measurements of the fabric are 3 into 3 centimeters. It's going to be a square. We are going to cut a square. Now, first of all, we are going to skewer the edges of the fabric by burning it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would say consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can know all the latest updates of my video. I am making this butterfly in two colors, shocking pink and orange, and the procedure is the same, but there is going to be a trick. First of all, fold the fabric in a triangular shape and put the stitches in its center only. We don't have to sew anywhere else. We are going to sew the second piece in the same way, but we are going to change its side because both pointed ends should touch each other. Again, we are going to sew it in the center only. Sew the both fabric pieces together, but remember the pointed ends should touch each other. And when again you are going to sew it in the center and then you are going to pull the thread. See how the butterfly is taking its shape. After pulling the thread, wrap the thread around the butterfly in its center. Then take 2 or 3 stitches to secure it. Then tie a knot. When the butterfly have taken a proper shape, then we are going to burn its wings, burn the edges of the wings to secure them and to stick them together. Now we are going to make the center of the butterfly, and for this I am taking pearl beads of 4 mm and of course golden jewelry wire. First of all, pass the jewelry wire through one pearl bead, then twist the wire, then make a loop and pass that wire through the second bead, the second pearl bead, and then again twist it. The level of both beads should be equal. It wouldn't do if one bead is up and the other is down. We are making the body of the butterfly with beads, so those two beads we have already woven. Those are going to make the antennas of the butterfly, and to make its body, pass the wire through 4 pearl beads, then twist the wire. When the wire is twisted, leave a bit of wire, then cut that extra part and fold it and stick it to the bead. You don't have to use glue, just fold it and leave it like that, but fold it closely. Now put this body in the center of the butterfly and stick it. It's done, but I'm not going to leave the butterfly like this because we are going to make jewelry with this, so I am going to use golden acrylic paint and I am using brush number 0 to paint the edges of the wings. Actually, I am painting the edges because I want to give it a bit more ornamental touch. It's jewelry, so I think it should look like jewelry, don't you think so? Paint all the wings like this, the edges of the wing. The edges are painted and you can see it's touched. Now I am going to stick rhinestones, and for this I'm using fabric glue. These are small stones and I'm going to cut 2 stones together and then stick them. And this is a wax tool I'm using for sticking stones and it's easily available. It's made of wax and it's very easy to lift stones and beads with this and then stick them. Butterfly is ready, and this is a homemade base I'm using. I had made it myself, and in some video maybe I'm going to make it. I'm using hot glue gun, and I am going to, first of all, I am going to, because it's a pendant, first of all I am going to stick the butterfly on it. I'm going to thread the chain, and that's how you're going to wear your pendant. So your pendant is ready. Yeah, I have made its earrings in one shots, and I'm going to upload these soon too. I wish you all a very wonderful and peaceful day. See you in the next project.